Everyone, it's SparklingChar and I'm back to show you what's in my store. Um, I handmade these beautiful perfume bottles. They're basically for decor purposes. Some are designer. I did put the designer on there. And they really look pretty on your vanity or your dresser or wherever you want to put it. I mean, it's gonna look cute, but I just wanted to come in and show you guys. And it has the heart charm here. Everything is blinged out. When I say blinged, it's bling. It has the feet on the bottom, as you can see. Inside, it has the gems, and here is like where you can put. It has what you say, the water effect, and you can actually put a photo. So you can really personalize it with your photo or a name or something like that on there. It has a mirror neck, beautiful bow, and this is the back. Really pretty, very neat, and this is one, and they all light up. I have several that I just restocked. Really pretty, right? This is designer one. Very pretty. Okay, and then let me show you the next one. This one here, it has the charm here. Same concept with the neck part, and it has pearls and gemstones inside, and it also lights up. So pretty. And again, they all have it where you can put, personalize it, put the picture in the back. Okay. Here's another one with the dome charm, a dome charm. Different design at the top. Personalize it. This is the back. And we'll turn the lights on that one. Guys, they are beautiful. This video is not doing these justice, I tell you. They so pretty. And they're made out of glass. They made with, this is glass. All of them has glass. Oh, hold on. I had to cover that up. Okay. Yeah, see the charm here. Very blinged out. Polka dots with the pearls going around it. A flower. Let's personalize it. I should have we could put your name there. And we turn the lights on in the back. I really enjoyed making these. So pretty. I have another one. This one is Hello Kitty. The Hello Kitty charm. The Hello Kitty bow. And it has red gems in it. Glass. And has a Hello Kitty background. This is the back. And that's it with the lights on. You can really see. And then we have this one. It's so pretty. If you love your blues, and you know what this blue represents. It has the heart and the key on there. Background is a real pretty blue. This is the back where you turn it on. And it gives you that effect. Again, we can personalize it. Yep. And I have one more. And I just definitely handle them with care. I just have a rubber band on it because this is like really heavy glass. It has the charm, pink charm, and it lights up as well. See how pretty? And it has the feet underneath. So pretty, guys. So you can see it. It also gives the water effect. It also has a way you can cut the heart shape and put a photo behind it. So yeah, guys, this is what I've been making. Um, so if you're interested in these are in my store, Sparkling Beautiful Creations. The link is in the bio. Put this one down here so you can really see it. The link is in the bio. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.